Good morning, students. I hope that you are all fine. In this video, I am going to explain some of the important concept of chapter data file handling. So let's move toward the first concept we are going to discuss in this video. Good morning, students. I hope that you are all fine. In this video, I am going to explain some of the important concept of chapter data file handling. So let's move toward the first concept we are going to discuss in this video. Files operation using Python. CRUD operation in Python. CRUD stands for create, read, update and delete. So dear student, we can create, read, update and delete a file in Python. These four operations are called CRUD operations in Python, where C stands for creation, R for reading, U for updation and D for deletion. So we can create a file, we can read from file, we can update the content of file, and also we can delete a file in Python using file handling. Operations are called CRUD operations in Python. How to open file in Python? The open function is used to open file in Python. This function takes two parameters, file name and file mode. So dear student, whenever we want to write or read from file, first we have to open the file. The open function is used to open file in Python. This function takes two parameters, file name and file mode. Syntax to open file in Python: file object name equal to open, file name, file mode. This is the syntax to open file in Python. Here we are using open function to open the file. See, in the example 1, we are opening file story.txt in read mode, and example 2, opening file story.txt in write mode, where R and W stand for file mode. R stands for read mode and W stands for write mode. So by default, a file is open in read mode. How to close file in Python? To close a file in Python, we use close function. So dear student, the close function is used to close a file in Python. Syntax to close file in Python: we use the following syntax to close a file in Python: file object name dot close function. Example, f dot close function. So using close function, we can close a file in Python. How to remove file in Python? To delete a file in Python, you must import the OS module and run it os.remove function to remove a file in Python. So dear student, to delete a file in Python, we must import the OS module and run its os.remove function to remove a file in Python. So dear student, to remove the file story.txt, we have to give command like this: import os.remove story.txt. This will remove the file story.txt from Python folder. I hope that you understand the concept of how to open the file, how to close the file, and how to remove file in Python. Thank you. Have a nice day.